Welcome to this comprehensive review of Aplos Accounting, a platform designed to streamline financial management for nonprofits, churches, and small organizations. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features, interface, and overall user experience of Aplos. Starting with its purpose, Aplos specializes in providing tools tailored for organizations that require fund accounting and donation tracking, making it distinct from traditional accounting software. When you first log in, you'll notice the clean and user-friendly dashboard. It provides quick access to essential functions such as fund accounting, donor management, and financial reporting. The navigation is intuitive, ensuring that even those new to accounting software can find their way around. The dashboard prominently displays financial summaries, upcoming tasks, and recent activities, which help you stay on top of your organization's financial health. One of the standout features of Aplos is its fund accounting capabilities. Unlike standard accounting platforms, Aplos allows you to track designated funds separately, which is crucial for nonprofits managing restricted donations. I'll demonstrate how to set up funds, allocate transactions, and generate fund-specific reports. Donation tracking is another area where Aplos shines. The platform integrates with various online giving tools, making it easy to record and acknowledge contributions. I'll show you how to set up online giving, sync donor data, and send automated receipts, all of which saves significant time and effort. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that could help you further improve your financial management and organizational efficiency. Make sure to check them out after watching the video. Another feature worth mentioning is the custom reporting tool. Aplos enables you to create detailed financial reports tailored to your organization's needs. I'll walk you through the process of generating income statements, balance sheets, and donor activity reports. These reports are not only easy to customize, but also exportable, which makes sharing them with stakeholders or board members hassle-free. Aplos also supports event registration and management. This feature allows you to set up events, track registrations, and handle payments seamlessly. It's particularly useful for organizations that frequently host fundraisers or community events. For those concerned about security, Aplos offers robust measures to protect your data. From role-based permissions to secure data encryption, the platform prioritizes safety, giving you peace of mind. Finally, we'll explore the pricing structure. Aplos offers tiered pricing plans based on the features and number of users, ensuring that you only pay for what you need. I'll provide an overview of these plans to help you decide which one is best for your organization. Thank you for joining me in this detailed review of Aplos Accounting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tutorials on nonprofit tools and software. Your support helps me create more content to guide you in making informed decisions. See you in the next video.